you're still actually don't press the button for it. It's gonna be a good game, and we're going to do the most intense stuff in the world.
Okay, so first we're going to do this challenge. And this is finding a building with a light. So in this thing, you have to find a building with lights on. And normally, if the 2-bit playgrounds are this up, you can go to that. That's how players get to it. And then at the end, there's a ball pit. And then that is the safe area. And once you touch the ball pit, you're safe. But anyway, put out the fires. What team are you in?
I'm on red.
So it's a competition, but we're not seeing whoever wins.
Sir, are you on blue?
Yes.
Okay, it's gonna not be a competition, but it's gonna be intense.
Yes.
It's just a fun game.
Yes. So
How am I gonna spray you? Is there any buildings here to spray?
we each have 4 buildings, and each of them will get fire. And then you have to put
A fire team.
you need to put them on. And it can be in either the second floor or the third floor. It can appear to be it can be appearing in one of the 4 buildings, and
Bro, I got stuck on these things.
I won.
Oh man, that's a shame. Okay, we just got plus one.
Oh, hurry, cross the bridge before it's too late. We have to cross the bridge before it collapses.
Oh,
So remember, if you die, you get to this island. This cliff will
I
collapse.
have 100.
The bridge
may
attached
have
and
serious side effects.
it was because of the hurricane. No, don't fall. But there's some obstacles that they. Oh, actually, this is why I have to be careful. So that you have to press the button far, so that you don't get this event to happen.
Okay, Xavier, you do your screen. I would join the group, and then I did that. Now I'm gonna join back.
Oh, we're in the color game.
Let's color this one. Okay, boom. Simple, but it's gonna be hard. Okay, black.
So this is like that color block game. This
But
reminds me of a color block.
no. Okay, we need to go fast. The timer gets slower and slower.
The timer gets quicker and quicker, and you have to go to each one quickly.
I can finally do this. Okay,
And then,
so close. No.
okay, you need to jump. That's it.
Dang it.
It's okay. We will eventually get more items. This is currently part 1.
That isn't only part 1. Tomorrow we'll do part 2, guys.
We will eventually do part 2.
Yes. Wait, lost?
Yes.
Oh,
Stay away from the white leak.
my goodness.
You can't touch the white leak, otherwise you're dead.
Oh,
You can't be near the white leak.
what?
You can't be near the white leak, or you will die. Oh, at least I saw. The winding physics in this. There are two types of things that looks like bad weather and oh, so Ben 10 has a sword. Wait, this reminds me of that character. Oof, that reminds me of a character from a movie. Well, because I heard that Shadow had Ben 10, but anyways, we have to. Wait, is the person with the sword AFK? Yes, I think.
Where are you?
I'm at the
What
top.
are you doing out there?
Oh, there's a rope. There's something. You have to climb up.
How?
Oh, it's right here. Yes. No, don't fall in the lava. If you. Okay, so you have to go on the end. You have to go to the end. The other. Here's a tip. Go to the other.
Okay. No.
I want you to jump. The last.
It's just a 4.
I,
Can you do this? How are you doing this?
oh, here's a tip. Go to the. Go use the other edge of the wall where the rock will fall, and then. And you have to move, and then you have to jump. You must jump since this is a.
Okay, you look funny.
Okay, no, it said.
Rob the banco.
Oh, we
I
need
want
to.
to rob the banco.
Yes, we need to
Okay,
rob
hold
this.
on, wait. Let me go first. I should do shit.
We need to jump over here.
I should do shit. No.
The security system here is just a laser base. It's just a laser base.
I'm dead. Pizza! Away from me.
But at least I can have some pizza.
Oh my god, I'm intense. Okay. We need to get some good damage. So we need to. No! I was so close.
Remember, this is why a laser base. You have to go back without touching a single laser. Well, maybe because you keep on touching the laser. Okay, you have to walk here. Oops. Green.
No, this is not green.
I finished it.
How?
I had to look at it. Oh, whoa! We're so big.
We're bigger than Flash.
We are like the giants.
Get to the top.
As we're giant.
That's gonna be intense.
Whoa,
No,
weird.
I'm just kidding.
Yeah,
Why get to the top? What's going on?
yeah. And everyone is piling up.
What is that new?
I don't know. It's a giant noob. So everyone is like, well, we are all giant.
Bro, the noob doesn't even know what to do.
By the way, I have a torch. Guess what? Okay, anyways, press button.
What? Why are you shoving the boy here?
I'm going to drink some water.
Okay.
Okay, so now we both are back. Now we will continue with this. So now, anyways, so you know that this is the be careful.
Yeah, we have to be careful, and whatever we do, we are not allowed to follow.
And by the way, I have a big post-it.
Yeah, his potion we get to be smaller.
No, and with this post-it you get to be bigger. And you can't
Shabby,
change
I'm gonna
the
jump
size.
off. Oh,
The
small.
only way to go back normal size is to reset.
Yeah. Okay, find the most amount. One.
I swear I saw that. Anyways, it says to fire the most about the fireworks. So this is,
Man, I can't even find any.
so you have to find all the fireworks. Here, Ed.
Mr. Time, tell time.
This,
Bro, sorry, how much do you have?
oh, I've 0. Oh wait, I found one. And then you found another.
Hey, everybody's taking mine. I don't even have any.
Well, this is just a
Please,
count.
please, please. Bro found 3. Bro just found 4. That Mr. Tom. Bro, why am I not even gonna get on this thing? Are you for real? Am I just gonna get one forever? Let me get that. Boom! We're on top.
Okay, anyways.
Okay, anyways, guys, we have to find the most amount, and I found it.
By the way, let me go back to my normal size.
Okay, go back to
Okay, anyways, I'm back in my normal size. Oh no, ah! We are stuck. We're colliding it. We crunched. No, just in case. I'll go distant. No. Please press the button. Get ready. The flood will start to rise. Go. The flood is rising. You can't touch what's below.
Bro just fell off.
You can't touch what's below you, otherwise you are eliminated. Are you ready, Sweaty?
Yeah, I'm great, guys. I'm so bad at this one.
But it's,
Huh, what? Huh?
the button exploded.
The most beautiful
Banana.
thing I've seen in my life is a banana. Next to a banana.
That's a silly joke of saying banana. What person is
Oh my
that?
God, you
Oh,
fall off the banana.
yeah, your banana is why it's done. Okay, now we're going up.
Oh!
If you die, you'll go to the control room, which is right there. And don't fall off. Don't fall to the acid. Yes. The cube is no death anymore.
Scary.
Oh no! Oh no! Bananas are dead.
How is he still alive?
Yeah, I don't know.
Not good.
I don't know what made the glitch. Oh, grab the most free. Okay, I'm going to drink my potion. Then I'll go down. Glide 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Not 9. 10, 11, 12. I got just 11.
How many got more than?
Did you got just 7?
I just got 7.
I got 7, 11.
You won.
I'm falling. How did I just quit? I'm going to the void. Yes, I'm dead. It used not transparent, but when there is that light, I think it isn't completely transparent. Don't press the button.
Yes.
There could have been no.
Dinos.
We're dinos.
Dinosaur.
Dinosaurs extinct.
What happened? Now we're tiny dinosaurs.
Yeah, we're 3.
We're turned from big dinosaurs to tiny dinosaurs.
Maybe just makes
Why am I shooting?
big brain.
What happened to her? What happened to her brain?
Yeah. Whoa, that's so good.
Oh.
It's just sad.
Knowledge.
We're ahead. We are ahead was with knowledge. We're ahead was dinosaurs with knowledge, and we are big brain.
And we have to stand still.
No.
Stay close to the light. Okay?
Oh, it's you have to.
Recycle.
I don't know
Oh
what
my
this is.
goodness, this is gonna be hard.
Yes, that's true. But I can't tell which is which. Oh, username's popped up. Let me drink my box of color. Whoa, I'm weird with the box of color. That's the witch brew. Quickly. I'm doomed if I go.
If I'm Mr. Tom.
Pizza!
No! I want the blockade. It's what? Oh, acid rain event. You have to go to the umbrella, otherwise there's acid rain falling. And you have to stay in the umbrella. I mean, you have to find the umbrella and stay on that umbrella. I wish there was something that we can protect somewhere else under. That would be amazing if that happened, but for now, just the umbrella. Okay.
Mr. Tom, tell the Tom.
The toot so hard.
You mean the Coon Pahor?
This kid.
Let's
Okay.
go.
Oh, I have to go to.
No, I'm at 81.
I'm 17 and I found it already.
Ah! Is there a cheater?
No, but anyways, have to eat this pizza. Anyways, time to go fire the toy.
I'm looking for something. 94, I can see on the corner. And I can't do the fly.
I'm burning. It's a
6-9. No, I just found this stick con.
Don't get caught. Oh no, the police officer's here. Don't get caught, otherwise you would be ending. I heard that that person did hack that if you stand on the button, the police won't catch you.
Why?
Oh, the police is very angry. Oh no, 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 no. That was two boulders hanging on to each other.
Mr. Tom.
Oh no, we are dead.
I'm dead. Not even full strike.
Okay, so if you didn't know this, looks interesting since
Looks interesting. I don't know what. So do you even have your screen recording?
yes, I do.
Let me see. Oh yes. Okay. We're good. We're good. We're doing good, guys. Okay.
Okay, watch out for the
This one, we
spikes.
need to watch out for spikes.
If you see the red dots, then get out of it.
Pretty simple.
If you are standing on that, then you have to
Bro,
move
they get a 2 in the top.
to blue. Oh. See?
Mr. Tom Tom. Okay, I keep on saying that. I don't know why I want to say Mr. Tom
Oh yes, there's mechanics under.
I'm just gonna say
I see that wider mechanics underground. Yes, it's oh.
Gotta do more AFK. Too easy, man.
Sure.
Escape the burning building.
Oh, you have to go down here.
Where?
You have to go under. I know how to escape. Instead of going up, you have to go down.
Where do you go?
Down.
Where? Where?
The building. Oh, get ready for rocket launcher. The classic rocket launcher.
What?
Ow.
How dare you do that to me?
You are oh no. Anyways, this is a classic rocket launcher game. You don't the button.
What?
This is a classic map in the classic rocket launcher.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a classic if you didn't know. This
Plastic? That's plastic.
this was the Roblox classic.
This is fun. Are you ready?
Well, I would tell you that there's no classic event, but I'm not sure when the first. I'll find out when the hunt for the distant will come. There might be a chance that the hunt will be called as for the distant.
Why my head?
Why are you big head?
Probably because of fear. I turn right. Yo, what?
Yeah.
What's going on? That is weird.
Okay, I'm going to break this. Oh.
Ah, that's a big shrimp.
Try to hold the wall. Oh no.
Hole in the wall. Like hole in the wall. That's easy. Easy time. Oh my goodness, whoa, there's a chocolate.
Cross. Jump on the wall to reach the edge. This is like we're being like frogs, and you see a checkpoint.
How are you gonna win?
You have to jump on logs. You have to jump on moving logs.
Then wait until one picks me up, and then no! Why did I jump?
It feels fast.